Alright, you've already learned capacity and measuring things in liters. That's a weird looking eye. Now we're going to learn about measuring things in another unit of measure called milliliters. Milliliters. And the symbol for milliliters is M, lowercase m, with a capital L again. Remember that liters always has a capital L, but this is milliliters. So do you think milliliters are smaller or bigger than liters? Well, for those of you that have ever done any baking, you might know that milliliters are much smaller than liters. Milliliters are often used when you bake. So in this spoon here, we have 5 milliliters. So 5 milliliters is not very much. Have you ever had a juice box, maybe at lunchtime? A juice box is also measured in milliliters. And it's tough to see, but if you look right here, it says that this juice box is 200 milliliters. And we all know that juice boxes aren't that big, but it holds 200 milliliters. So milliliters are a pretty small unit of measurement. Have you ever used an eyedropper? An eyedropper is very small, and an eyedropper, get this, ladies and gentlemen, an eyedropper holds about 1 milliliter. So that is not very much. Sometimes if you spill your drink, you might spill about 4 or 5 milliliters. So milliliters are very small. Not like liters, which are pretty big units of measure. Milliliters are small units of measure. One thing that's really important to know, boys and girls, is that 1 liter, so this bottle of water is a liter. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Wow. So liters are quite big. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So that would be like 1,000 eyedroppers. That would be a lot of eyedroppers. Or that would be the same as maybe having several juice boxes at lunchtime. You'd have to have 5 juice boxes to equal 1 liter. So if 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, how much would 2 liters be equal to? It would be 2,000 milliliters. What about 5 liters? Well, that would be equal to 5,000 milliliters. I hope you understand 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. That's really important to know. Here's one more challenge little question to think about. If you had 1,000 milliliters, that would be equal to 1 liter. What if you had 1,200 milliliters? Well, that would be equal to 1.2 liters, because you have 1 liter by having 1,000, and this 2 here after the decimal represents 200 milliliters. Okay, so here's another question. 6,500 milliliters would be how many liters? It would be 6.5 liters. Alright, good luck with capacity. Remember the 2 units of measure, milliliters and liters. Good luck with milliliters. They're small, so have fun with them. Try not to lose them.